السلام عليكم grade 8C. احنا we are late because you know the English day. That's why I'll give you I'll send you this video. It's only for 8C. Last time we studied the properties of an image in a mirror. Remember this? Incident ray, reflected ray, normal. This is the mirror. This is the angle of reflection and angle of incidence. And we said they are always equal. And then we said that the properties of an image in a mirror, where is it? Here. It's upright. It's not upside down. The image is larger than the object. No. The distance between the mirror and the object is bigger than the distance between the mirror and the image. No, they are equal. The image is opposite. Yes. Okay, the property of an image. These are the properties of the image in a mirror. We're done with this. We did not talk about this device. يعني this device, as you can see, they can see things from the top of the water, like marines, submarines. When they dive inside the water, they can send this machine to see what is above the water. And also they use it in wars, and they use it to study the animals in the wildlife. Now, if you open your book, I want you to find out what is this device called. Open your book. Where is the book? Here is the book. If you open your book, wait. Can't find it. Wait, miss. Yeah, on this page 165. Yeah, this is a device. What is it called? Periscope. This is called periscope. Okay, a periscope, as you can see in your book, it contains two mirrors, and this is the wall. يعني when you want to see something that is very high on a wall, you can use this periscope. It uses two mirrors, and when the light from the object hits the first mirror, it will reflect on the second mirror, and then it will reflect again so you can see it. So how many times the light is reflected in a periscope? 2 times. Okay, type. So this is it. This is how we can see by using a periscope. Okay, now I want you to go to this page. Yep. Did we answer it? I'll answer this worksheet. An object placed in front of a mirror, the mirror, it's O, produces an image at I. The question is, the object moves towards the mirror in the direction of the arrow. يعني the object is moving this direction. In which direction does the image move? Does it move to D, or this direction to C, or this direction to B, or to A? We said anything happens to the object happens to the image inside of a mirror. So the answer is A. The object, or you, are moving this direction, يبقى the image will move this direction. Okay? This is question number 1. For question number 2, I want you to label it. I will not label it for you. For question number 2 also, I want you to answer it because we answered it alone. Now, here, I will answer this with you. I think we did it. Please send me a message to tell me if we did this or not. يعني the question here in the opposite figure, light ray number 5. This is a reflected ray from a mirror. is a reflection of which one? Is it ray number 1 that reflects 5? Or ray number 2 that reflects 5? Or ray number 3? Which one is correct? I think we answered this together. So you have to calculate the reflected angle, which is 60. I told you to write this number. And 60 should equal to 60, which is the incident ray. So 10 plus 10 plus 40, this is 60. So ray number 3, when it hits a mirror, it will make a reflected ray of ray number 5. So the answer is ray number 3. What's an image? An image is a reflection of an object in a mirror. Now, if you want these answers, just stop the video and answer them on your worksheet. Write down the 3 rules of an image of an object in a mirror. The image is upright. The image has the same size of the object. The distance between the mirror and the object equals, she did not complete, equals to the distance between the mirror and the image. Okay, what's a periscope? This is a periscope, a device that uses 2 mirrors to see over the top of things. Okay, now we will answer the next questions. This question, we will not answer it. What can a periscope be used for? This is the answer. To see over the top of things, to see sound waves, to see over crowds. No, this one. So to see over the top of things, to see over crowds, observing wildlife from behind walls, looking out over the surface of the sea. These are the uses. Okay, we're done with this worksheet. We're going to answer the next one. Open at page here. Did we answer this? I think we didn't. So complete the sentences using words and phrases from the list. You have refraction, refracted, reflected, unchanged, lens, mirror, away from, back towards. A light that falls on a shiny surface is reflected. It should be reflected. When it hits a mirror, it will be reflected. The shiny surface is called mirror. What is this? Mirror, yes. After it falls on a shiny surface, the light rays travels the source. The source, يعني it goes back towards the source. يعني it hits and go back. Okay? So the answer is back towards the source. If they wrote mirror here instead of the word source, if they wrote mirror, I can write away from the mirror. Okay? Yeah. Now here labeling, you have this is the object, this is its image. Okay, this is the incident ray, this is the angle of incidence, angle of reflection. This is the normal and imaginary line that is perpendicular on a mirror. Okay, complete the sentences. The position of an image appears to be inside the mirror. When you look at yourself in a mirror, you see yourself inside of the mirror, okay? This is because when your brain thinks the light has traveled in a straight lines. So your brain thinks that it's still going inside of the image. Okay, inside the image is always as far from the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. So the distance, we said the distance of an image, if this is an image, if this is the mirror, okay, and this is the image. Remember when we drew it, this is the object and this is the image. This is you, object, image. The distance between the object and the mirror, A, should equal the distance between the mirror and the image, which is B. Okay? Type. Now here, we still only have question 5. لا, 5, 6, 7. Write down the law of reflection. The angle of incidence always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay? Here. Question 4. Look at the diagram. What is the value of the angle X? Choose the best answer. This is X. We said that X and Y, supposedly this is Y, are equal. What should we do? This is what we do. We say 90 here normal minus 40 equals 50. So this is the answer. So this is wrong. Here, this is 50 and this is 50. So this answer is wrong. It's B. Okay? This is 90, the normal. When you subtract it from 40, the given angle, you will have the angle of 50. And Y and X are always equal, so this is 50 and this is 50. What else? Yusuf is trying to make a sign that people can read using a mirror. He wants the sign to say mouth when it is reflected. Write down the order of letters Yusuf should put in his sign. So in a mirror, it will be the opposite. That's why it will show HTOUM. This is how it will be shown on a mirror. Now this question, the diagram shows a periscope. This is a periscope as we just studied. Okay, the light enters the periscope. A, complete the diagram to show how both rays leave the periscope. Now, ray number 1, I want you to use the rulers and pencils. Make a line on the mirror. It will be reflected on mirror 2 and reflected again on your eyes. Use a ruler. Ray number 2. It will hit mirror 1, reflects on mirror 2, and then again reflects on your eye. Again, use a mirror. State whether the image seen by the eye is correct way up or upside. It is upright. You will see it upright because the image, we said that the image is always upright. Okay, miss, any question you want, please send it to me. Thank you.